So good morning everyone. Today I Nishant Singh. I will be giving a lecture on the topic that is Indo-US relations. So India, it is a country that is present in the Asian subcontinent, whereas America, it is present between two Pacific Oceans. These both countries are important in the world geopolitics, America being the current superpower and India being the upcoming superpower. So since our independence, since 1947, the relations have first improved, then degraded, and then after that they are now again improving year by year. Earlier, America supported us. They supported us in various things. Also, they transported grain to our country because we were facing Bhukmari at that time. And America also supported India in the 1965 Indo-China war. And after that, in 1971, when the Nixon administration came, our relations began degrading because Nixon hated India. Also, they started supporting Pakistan. In 1984, when we were conducting our first nuclear test, we failed for sure, but after that, America put various sanctions on us. So, for our economy too, at that time, it was quite a hard time. But when Bill Clinton became the president of America, since then our relations are improving, and Barack Obama, Joe Biden, Donald Trump, the relations are improving year by year. Now talking about the trade relation between both the countries, the trade relation it stands at 100 billion US dollars, and America it is India's biggest trade partner right now. Also, India for sure it is the seventh biggest trade partner for America. The traded commodities are like pharmaceuticals, machinery devices, and also IT services, and various other MNCs like Google and other various MNCs are trying to set up various warehouses in India so that they can produce all the goods at a cheap rate. And also they want a substitute to China. So I think that Indian IT sector is going to blossom in the coming years. Now talking about the military relations between both the nations, their militaries are on its own very efficient and are high in quality. America, it is having the strongest military, and talking about India, it is having the third largest and also the fourth strongest military. Now, various exercises like Yuddha Abhyas, Milan, also Sea Vigil, these exercises have recently taken place, and America is also a part of quadrilateral dialogue, and India too is a part. So I think that the synergy between both the militaries is quite good, and I think that in the coming years, various exercises like PASEC exercises, they are going to take place, which is going to improve the interoperability of both the armies. Now, in the end, I would like to say that India and America, they need to have quite good relations in the coming years because we are having a common adversary, that is China, and also we are having a common problem, that is the threat to terrorism, because we are facing terrorism in our country, and also America is facing terrorism in various other parts. So I think that the relations need to be improved, and I think that our foreign ministry is doing our job in the most fantastic way that it can do. So in the end, I would like to say that what we should learn from India and US relations is that even if our relations get weaker day by day, still if we are going to talk to the person or talk to the person with whom our relations are bad, then I think that the relation will be resolved and the relations will be good in the end. So that is all. Thank you.